Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to convert from radians to degrees. To convert from radians to degree, let us first consider a unit circle. Here we have 0 degrees and here we have 180 degree. And when we write these in terms of pi, that is the circular measure of the angle, we are going to get pi radians here, which is equal to 180 degree. So we are going to make use of this ratio to convert from radians to degrees. Let us convert pi by 6 radians to degrees. So to convert from pi by 6 radians to degrees, we are going to multiply this angle by 180 degrees by pi radians. Here we have radians in the denominator and here we have radians in the numerator. Radians and radians get cancelled and we are left with degrees in the numerator, which will be the unit for the angle. So this radian gets cancelled with this radian, this pi gets cancelled with this pi, and we can simplify it more. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, and 6 times 0 is 0. So we are left with 30 degrees as the angle in degrees. So our final answer is 30 degrees. Let us now take one more example and convert 3 pi by 4 radians to degrees. So we'll write 3 pi by 4 radians and we'll multiply it by 180 degrees by pi. Now we are going to simplify it. Here this pi radian gets cancelled with the pi radian in the denominator. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 2 is remainder, this becomes 20, 4 times 5 is 20. So that's 45 degrees. So we are left with 3 times 45 degrees, and 3 times 45 is 135 degrees. So 3 pi by 4 radians equals 135 degrees. So this is how we can convert any radians into degrees using the ratio 180 degrees by pi radians. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.